Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've always wanted to customize the look of your Wix website beyond the built-in settings, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to add your own custom CSS code to a Wix site using the best and most straightforward method out there. By the end, you'll know exactly how to personalize elements with your own styling, giving your site that professional, unique edge. All right, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open up your Wix website design. This means logging into your Wix dashboard and choosing the site you want to work on. If you're already inside the Wix editor, perfect, you're in the right place. Just a quick note here. Making changes like this works best on desktop rather than mobile devices, since you'll want full access to all the site editing tools. Take a moment to make sure you're in editor mode, not just previewing your site. Now, once your project is open, look over to the left-hand side of your editing interface. This is where you can add new elements to your page. Click on Add Elements. This icon might look like a plus sign or have the word Add, depending on the version of Wix you're using. This is the gateway to all sorts of features, and right now, we're looking for something a bit hidden, the ability to embed code directly into your site. Within the Add Elements menu, scroll down until you see Embed Code. Click on that option and you'll usually be given a few choices. What you want here is HTML iframe, or simply HTML. By choosing this, you're telling Wix that you want to put some of your own code onto the page. It's kind of like inserting a slice of your own custom pizza into the menu, something that isn't on Wix's standard toppings list. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a box pop up, letting you paste in your own code. At this point, you'll want to grab your custom CSS code. Maybe you've written it yourself to tweak the font, color, or spacing of part of your site. Or perhaps you found a snippet online that does just what you want. Either way, copy that CSS code and then paste it into the code box that appeared. If your CSS isn't wrapped in tags already, make sure to place it between the tags so Wix knows its styling code. For example, HTML. Once you've pasted in your CSS, take a deep breath and double-check the code. It's easy for an accidental typo to sneak in, so give it a careful look. When you're happy with how it looks, click the Update or Apply button. This tells Wix to process your styling and add it to the page. At this point, don't worry if things don't instantly change in the editor. It sometimes takes a quick preview or page refresh to fully display the updates. Now, you'll notice a little HTML box sitting on your page. You can resize this box to fit neatly where you want it. Even though the box itself looks like a placeholder, all the CSS you've embedded is working behind the scenes to style your site. Position it somewhere logical, and remember, the placement doesn't affect your CSS since the styling applies site-wide to matching elements. And that's it. You've successfully embedded custom CSS on your Wix website. Take a moment to preview your site, check those style changes, and enjoy the power of personalized design. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, just leave a comment down below. I always read them and try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.